Asian Paints managed to maintain its reputation of positively surprising the street every quarter. The numbers beat street estimates through and through, whether it comes to volumes, whether it's about the overall financial parameters. The big mainstay figure, or the parameter by which usually the street does tend to judge Asian Paints' quarterly performance, is the decorative businesses volume growth, which Asian Paints has said grew in double digits. The revenue figure came in at 5,350 crores, a growth of 5.2%, bit more than the street was expecting. EBITDA as well was pretty strong, 1,260 crore rupees, a massive more than 30% growth, and that led to a significant and sizable margin expansion at 23.6%. Once again, a big beat versus what the street was expecting, which was at roughly 21%. The profit after tax came in at 830 crores, and optically, if you look at the growth from the corresponding quarter, it may look a little low, but that's only because in the corresponding quarter there was that deferred tax credit of a small figure, which was in turn on account of the bumper tax stop given by FM Sitharaman in September 2019. But speaking on volume growth, the Asian Paints management has said that there has been improvement across all business segments, a recovery if you could call it that. Every month a sequential improvement, and that's the reason why the company managed to give double-digit growth even in the decorative business. Their home improvement category also has shown sequential improving trends. So this shows really, that people have been spending money on their homes. They have been, sort of waiting by for the unlocking phase to come in, and that's when really they would spend on repainting, on home decor, on home improvement. And this may perhaps be seen all the more in maybe the month of October as we approach Diwali, and of course as the next phase of unlock really kicked in. Additionally, for Asian Paints, what's also noteworthy is a comment from them that their product mix as well has been good. Remember, the last couple of quarters, even prior to COVID, the one trend that we were witnessing is that there was higher sales of, your lower end products or your mass products compared to the value added or the decorative products, and that in turn is something that the street was watching out for. But this time around, the management has said that what contributed to the profitability was also the product mix, and apart from that, of course, the stability that we witnessed in raw material prices, namely monomers, TiO2, has been very stable. They're also saying that the foreign exchange rates were very favorable, and finally, of course, the cost optimization measures that have been put in place by all the companies, including Asian Paints, all of this has boosted profitability. There's just one negative, and that is the Nepal, business has not done really well. It continues to witness these, challenging business conditions. But otherwise, apart from Nepal, even the international business has done pretty well. So I think largely Asian Paints has yet again managed to tick all the boxes.